do some gardening. Get busy gardening. What are you going to do? Oh, you're going to take some of those and put them in your bucket? What are they? Take ones you can read. Look at that one. Oh, it's got, well, oh, don't eat them though. They're probably poisonous.
Yeah, she's been eating those.
Poisonous?
They're mildly poisonous.
Pardon?
They are mildly poisonous, some variation, but others you can eat, so I'm not sure which one is that one is.
You're not to eat them though, Mabel. Yeah.
They dye your clothes as well.
Dirty. Be careful though. You shouldn't eat them though. No? Do you understand that? Because they're not very nice. Give you stomachache. Ooh, stomachache. Those give you stomachache. Yeah. Don't want to eat those. No? Yeah, throw them away. Throw them away. Yeah, throw it away. Throw it away. That's good, girl. That's good. That's okay. That'll rot away though. They'll poison the fox and it won't shit on your lawn anymore. Yeah, they're dirty, they're horrible. Look. Yeah.
I think that's when fox do horrible things to our lawn.
Horrible. No, but they're not very nice. That's it. Good. That's the way to do it. This is your first lesson in toxicology. You can pick them, but they'll eat them.
Yeah.